I'm getting ready to unbox something that I got in the mail today, and I'm pretty excited about it, so let's check it out. So this package comes to me from Excalibur Shovels. Let's see what's inside. Grab the old knife here. Let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. All right. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I got a feeling this is going to be. I know what it is, but I just haven't seen it yet. And this is gonna match my last Cirque that I bought. So here we go. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. And so this, my friends, is the Sax Digger. And I love it. It's like a hand digger on steroids. Okay, the overall length of this is going to be 15 inches. Blade length is 8 inches, 2 inches wide. It's not very heavy at all. But I feel like this is going to be an indestructible hand digger. But I like the design because the T-handle, man, that's gonna give you some killer leverage when you're digging. Plus, you can grab it here and dig with this like a regular, your normal hand diggers, be a digger like this. But yeah, this is awesome. But I'm gonna tell you, I'd like to thank Casey at Excalibur Shovels for an awesome product, and I'm using the Cirque shovels now, and they're great, and I can't wait to get this into dirt and see what it's going to do. I'd like to give a shout out and a special thank you to Casey at Excalibur Shovels for making a great product. I already own the Cirque shovels. I got 2 versions of the Cirque, and they're awesome. This is not a paid sponsorship. I promote this product because I believe in it and I love it. I don't get paid to promote it. So I'm just telling you from the heart, I love the products, and Casey stands behind what he sells. So all of these shovels are customizable. The long shovels, the handle lengths, everything does a great job with these. The welds are phenomenal. The powder coating on these are just, it's beautiful. So much, in fact, that you almost hate to put it in the dirt, but it's awesome. So go to excaliburshovels.com, check out what he has to offer, and you'll be pleased.